So I'm headed out to where we booked the charter. It looks like it's pretty near, and there are people waiting. So, oh, Dylan, oh, wee! Let's go on a boat. Let's go on a boat.
Yeah, I can.
That'll be fun, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
I hope there's no bumpy waves.
No, it's gonna be really nice. It's not gonna be bumpy at all.
Okay.
Bula, Nisambula. Nisambula, right?
How you doing?
Very good, very good. Good to see you guys. Good to see you guys. Good to see you guys. And where's our boat? Is that our boat right there with the rooftop?
You are so nice.
I saw some Asian people in that boat, so they probably rented the same one. I don't know what they were gonna do.
Well, ours is for the family.
Yeah.
We went right by your place. Topi ni sedap. Topi ni lah ya? Oh. Lotion ni breakfast biasanya. No, but what's your name will have it. Ranju will have it. Ranju has the story time. Oh, good.
So we are waiting. Yeah, Sonny, I like your style, buddy. Boom! You got that Corona Lights hat. Hey, where's your hat? You gonna get dark, buddy?
Oh, that's okay. I'm already dark.
You're gonna get dark.
Land
Yeah,
with it.
you're gonna get red. What's up here? What are you eating there?
Green apple.
Cool. With this guy, it's always fun time with this guy. He's gonna be singing on the boat. We're gonna be all singing on the boat, okay? All right.
So what are you singing?
I'll show you. We'll take a TikTok of it.
Put that in there.
All right, there's some waters here. Boom. This is how you do it in Fiji right here. This is how you do it. This is how you go fishing out in Fiji right here. Gotta grab one of these plants. Look at that. Boom. Sam, you put it right here. Right? Hey, does this look alright?
Yeah.
Ooh,
Wait, where's
so pretty.
You went trying to think everything and grab everything, but I have to go.
Why are you licking the apple?
You guys want to grab a flower too? Fiji style, Fiji style.
Come over here.
I'm gonna go fishing like this. This is my luck. This hibiscus from the land.
Stand there so I can take a good picture. Everybody.
Thank you. What's up, man?
Is it cut off?
Bring the chocolate.
You two, including you.
My babies are sleeping, so someone's gotta watch them.
Come on, let's go, you guys. That is our boat. It's coming. It's called the Wolf, the Sea Wolf. They're going to go jet skiing.
Hey, green now, pen chado re.
हम लोग क्या आता दुई.
I'm like pontoon boat hai. That's cool.
That's right, right? Yeah. Double engine.
Those are really safe.
Yeah. And it's got a roof.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
helps a lot.
Helps a lot, baby.
What time you guys go to sleep last night?
We went to the
go
fish
eat?
bar.
How was it?
Fucking, it was bomb, bro. And the waiter was really cool.
You have good food?
I'll show you now. Okay, don't tell me we're gonna leave Pinky. We're not gonna leave Pinky, so we're gonna have to wait.
Yeah, we'll wait.
All right. Oh, there she is. There she is. She's coming. Save the day. Save the day, Alvin. Save the day. All right, let's go. Don't drop all the beers.
Are you done with the apple?
So this is a 4-hour tour, just like Gilligan. No, his was a 3-hour tour.
So we're coming back.
But we're coming back, yeah. Hey, what's he doing? What's he doing? Why is he screaming like that? Why is he screaming like that?
No, because of the canvas.
Oh. Did he get his wet shoes?
No, he's wearing sneakers.
The water is gonna be really cold. Ooh, the water's cold. The water's cold. We were on the boat, the pontoon. This is the Wolf. What is the captain's name? Joe Bula. Thank you, Bula. Vinaka.
Joe and him, they carried me.
I'm gonna put you right underneath.
Oh no, you're umbrella.
Watch your step. Take your time.
That's what they did. That's what they did today.
Oh yeah, Trey, with you. And put it in the bag. Yeah.
Go.
Kortong ko. Sino snorkeling? Doon na yung snorkeling mo na nalapit mo. Sure, listen.
Yes, ma. All aboard.
So we're on the pontoon boat. It's called the Wolf. Our captain is Joe Bula. Watch your step, you guys. Watch your step right here. Oh, you made it.
Come on, let's go.
You guys made it, Bula.
Come on. Good. Tell him. No, over there. Yeah.
You're gonna go with us? Oh, let's go. You're gonna help us?
I am.
Yeah. Oh, you got another two?
Bonnie,
Probably on our way. Morning. You're gonna start drinking now. So
आपने लिया अरमान के लिए
हम में बोले तुम जनता स्विम करे बट इसमें लाइफ जैकेट नहीं लग जाओ बोले सनी बचाएंगे
सनी अपने लाइफ जैकेट पे है
That's the gold right there. That's the gold.
Thank you.
Thank you, baby.
Where are we going? Fishing?
Yeah. Who's gonna catch the
Who's gonna catch the first one?
That would be me.
Yeah. Who's going fishing? Yeah. Yeah. Oops, sorry.
Don't
Whoa.
be too close. Oh, here.
Hey.
Turn it on that way so no one will know.
Look that side. Look straight. Nice. Wait, do it again. Yeah, you gotta do it this way. You gotta do it facing
That's what I was saying.
Fly.
It's actually a beautiful.
we doing?
Trolling.
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 For a big fish.
Yes. 1 hour away. Then he gonna base and then we do fishing.
Okay.
So one for me and one for see any of the girls can.
That's the anchor.
Pick up that thing on the floor.
We are anchoring the boat now. The good captain, Joe.
Yeah.
Woo boy. Nice. We got it. How cool is that? We are not going to move from this location. We are going to do some lion fishing. Yes, we're going to be staying. I like it like this. I just caught the smallest fish and the biggest fish. Look at all these guys. They're all so colorful. Mom, Mona, Sanjita. Who else caught a fish? Armand caught a fish. So yeah, we're still fishing out here. We're still fishing. Wow. Thank you, sir. That's the fish we caught today. How many fish you caught today? 3. How many fish you caught today? Zip. How many fish? 1. Anybody else caught fish? 1 fish? Anybody? Mom? Caught 1? Anybody caught fish? No. You got 2 fish? You guys? You guys? No fish? 2 fish?
We're no fish crew.
No fish crew. All right.
Okay, okay.
That was awesome. Woo! Is this your first time?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Co-captain.
Co-captain. Yes, you got it. You got it. Pagano, boy, pagano. Pagano, I'm cameraman. Pagano, Sunny. You got this. You got this. You guys got this.
Whiny, that one, excuse me, that one, whiny.
Bada, big one. We're gonna fight. Fight the fish. Woo! Whoa. Holy shit. You guys go on the front. You see it? Do you see it? Back and forth, you guys. There's no putt. Wow. Holy shit, it's a big one. It's a big one. How are we gonna cook this?
Go down. Take out net. Real. Hold on.
Hola, Daddy.
Hold on.
Dude, hope it doesn't, like, the line don't cut. Line is cut? Shit is gone?
You feel it or you feel the fish or what? I think the fish.
In the coral. But yeah, damn. That was a good fight. Good fight.
Yeah, that's what happened.
Good fight. Cheers. Yep, we're seeing dolphins in their natural habitat in the beautiful Fiji Islands. These little buggers are showing off. Look at these guys, so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Wow! God bless America. Be careful. We're gonna fight again.
Take your time. Go.
Magical time. Magical.
Oh my goodness.
No.
Take your time.
Hey, you're gonna need help.
Yeah, take your time. Take your time. Move it.
He's gonna need help. He's gonna need help with the thing.
Yeah, when you need it, let me know. This is flexible. I want to be make the fish tight.
Yeah.
Oh, got the hook out.
Oh yeah, he's pulling.
Don't let him go down.
Make it slowly.
Yeah, don't make him go down.
Try to make the fish tight.
We're gonna have another beer after this one.
When is the fish tight? Come closer, let me know. I'll get it. Yeah? Okay. Take it easy.
Take it easy, Dad. Yes, yes, sir. Woo!